Hi guys, it's Miss Allison and
me,
Carter. We are on the floor. So today I thought we'd construct a marble run because it's constructing something. We're talking about construction, which is building things. And so one of the cool things about marble runs is it shows kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is energy that an object has while it's moving. So Carter, go ahead, roll the ball across the paper. That's kinetic energy. So when a ball is moving, it has kinetic energy. It's a big word, I know, but one I'm sure you guys will all learn about next year in kindergarten. All right, so what we did was yesterday we made homemade Play-Doh. And I know you all know how to make Play-Doh. You can teach your parents because we make Play-Doh a lot at school. I did give your parents the recipe in an email. So they have that if you need to make Play-Doh, you can make some Play-Doh. So what Carter and I did was we took, we have a cookie sheet. That's one of our materials. Another material is a marble. This was the only marble we found. It's kind of big. And then we would take pieces of Play-Doh. Carter actually did the majority of them. I just helped place them. And you roll them into logs. We had to make relatively large logs because our marble is kind of big. We did a lot of trial and error with this. We had a lot of oopses and mistakes, but that's okay. That's what science is trial and error, trying out things until they work, seeing what works and what doesn't. Nobody ever gets it right their first try. If you do, it's amazing. All right, so we just squeezed the little different logs of Play-Doh onto a cookie sheet. And then we also had to play around with the incline of the cookie sheet. So I think this was how we had it good. I don't know. I have my little folder here to help. You do not need this. It's just to kind of help show on the video where the marble will go. So you just place it at the top and you watch it. See, it didn't go all the way down.
Nope.
It's too steep. So we have to make it more shallow, which means to bring it further away, make the incline less steep. Let's try it again. There we go. Oh, this one might need to be thicker right there. And so you can just adjust. Oopsies.
Yeah.
That happens. And you just play around and you can see, ooh, and that one made it stop. So now it has potential energy, which means it's stopped, but it's ready to roll. And then you give it a little kick. And then it has potential energy. Kinetic energy. Potential energy is when it's stopped, ready to roll. Kinetic energy is when it's moving, it's on the roll. So you can also make different designs with this. You can try out what works and what doesn't. And look, see, so when we had it upright, as high as we can make it go, it would just fall right down. And then if we had like too thin of ones, it wouldn't work either. All right, Carter, we had too thin of one at first, and it was like, oh. And we had it down here. So, yeah. So you just have to play around. It's fun. It gets the kids thinking. Okay, thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.